Well, I got done with my appointment I had to do earlier. Still a nice day out. I'm gonna get back into the shop, see what I can do. Uh, Put some more stuff together on this 91 Bronco. Let's just say I'm gonna have some sweat equity in it when it's all said and done. It's a good feeling though to do it yourself. It's a good feeling to be able to read directions and do them. Got the valve covers on as you saw earlier today. I hope you saw them just then. I'm not too worried about my camera work right now, as you're well aware. You're well aware. Uh, hey, just wanted to show you something here on these fuel injectors. Let's see. These bad boys here. Remember, part of the reason that everything got delayed in getting everything done was somehow I ordered the wrong fuel injectors. I ordered the original style that had one port, and I'm going to show you what that means here. I wanted the multi-port injectors because it can increase miles per gallon, and I got in there and did those valve covers. Man, those valve covers, they were all tore up. Look at this. That's the way they came loose. They came apart as I pulled them off. And anyhow, I think it's going to be good to have the right oil pressure while I'm driving. But let me flip this camera around here and show you what I'm talking about on these fuel injectors. See if you can see the difference. It's pretty obvious, actually. What we're going to do is we're going to put these fuel injectors that are actually from a newer Ford vehicle, but they fit in my old 351 Windsor. And the main difference is on this end. Let's see if you can see in here. See, there are, there it is, 4 holes. See the 4 little holes? There's 4 sprayers or multi-port fuel injection. There's 4 holes there. Let's see, focus it again. There's 4 holes that will spray the fuel instead of 1. So effectively, you've got a more efficient fuel delivery system into each one of the cylinders as it's combusting in the combustion engine. So I can focus it in again one more time. 4 instead of 1. So what I've got to do is put them in each one of these positions and reattach the fuel rail. I'm not going to show you any up close to that. I'm just going to basically do it off camera, and then that'll be done. All right. Well, aren't the fuel injectors all pretty snug in their beds? They're orange. Oh well. Hey, I'm going to put a new cap and rotor on this real fast, and be right back. And just like I promised, a new cap and rotor inside. Ooh, it's all starting to come together. See that nice shiny part right there? I got to make the rest of that look like that. The old gasket's still on there. I got to scrape it off. Anyway, about to jump on that one. Well, I am very happy to say that after about 10 minutes of some scraping, is shimmy, shimmy, shiny like your tiny hiney, or something like that. I got me another Fell Pro. Gonna go right there. It's the gasket goes on only one way, so you can't booger that up. Let's see what it looks like. It'll only fit the way it fit, and that's it. So there it fit. That's how it set. Let's see if I can get this thing up in here. Plenum, plenum. Like venom, venom. Ooh. Let's set it in here gingerly. Well, I need more. There we go. I need to make sure that felt gasket is where it's supposed to be. You cannot see it. That ought to do it. Okay, well that's in the right spot. That's good. Well, foot fire. That's a funny term, ain't it? I need to put that PCV valve down. Well, the can fell out in the road. Didn't mean to lose that road. Now, all you folks out there in YouTube land, I will attempt to tighten down the plenum and start. Man, I might put the throttle body back on. Wow. Hold your head up. Hold your head up. Get everything I want done today, but I gotta go. I got a lot of it done. We have another day coming. So that was day 3, you could say part 2. And do yourself a favor. Take a break when you need to. Get you plenty of water to drink. Let your hat cool off. And when you put it back on, it feels like air conditioning. Hey, love y'all. See y'all next time. Maybe it'll be day 4 by that time. Who knows? This might end up just being a short. Didn't get that much footage. But hey, wasp flew by me there. That was that was sketchy. There's another one. It's spring. Hey, about to go watch my niece and nephew play some t-ball and baseball, Little League. So I'll have a good one. Hey, click those things that pop up on the screen. Love y'all. See you next time.